to handle production.
Wow. The sun. This means the sun is not 93 million miles away. If the sun were 93 million miles away, it would not shrink into nothing. This means the sun can only be right above us at an unknown distance away, probably like 3, 4, 5,000 miles. Who knows the exact mileage? But it's right above us. And so is our moon. You cannot use the sun as an excuse to claim your ball Earth. Alright? Your spinning ball Earth, which does not exist. If the sun was 93 million miles away, it would annihilate everything in its path from itself to the Earth. That means all the other planets wouldn't be getting a nice regulated heat or sunshine. This proves the sun is only above us, and everything else you see are just lights. Everything would be destroyed. All the planets closer to the sun would be on fire. It's an impossibility for the sun